Okay guys, so yeah, I don't know if you guys can remember from the last video, but I ran out of fiberglass and resin, but luckily the hardware stores opened again with level 4, so I was able to get some more resin. So yeah, today I'm just gonna focus on putting the rest of the resin on this layer on the bottom, and then obviously resining this part, which is going to be attaching to the car. So we'll see how far we get with that and how neatly we can get it done. So let's go. Guys, day 2 of attempting the wing. I don't know what just happened there. Day 2 of attempting to finish this wing. So most of the fiberglass that I put on yesterday and the resin that I put on yesterday is pretty dry. Well, it's relatively dry, so I'm just gonna map out quickly and just do a little bit of planning regards to where I want to grind, where I want to sand away a bit, where I want to get it nice and level, nice and flat, and then after that I will see obviously where I still need to add some fiberglass. So yeah, check it out quickly, then you guys tell me what you think. Okay, so as you all know, this is where we came to yesterday. We added all the resin along this nice groove there. The pot is actually nice and flush towards the car, that attaches to the car, if I can say it like that. And then we added resin on this side as well as in here where the tail light is. So just want to see quickly. Yeah, so we have as you guys can see, have lots of rough edges. I need to use the grinder today, grind it nice and flat, and then see what I can do to make these all nice and flat and nice and flush, so that when I put body filler on, it doesn't make all weird bumps and shit. So let me get to planning quick, and then we'll continue with this wing. What's up guys, sorry for the look that I've got here with the mask. Managed to find a 2-point plug, and yeah, got the grind all set up and stuff now. So next phase is going to be showing you guys how I grind on all the finer edges, and yeah, just smoothing out the wing so I can add another layer of fiberglass to the rest of it. Then I can do some body filler. So join me for this next part. Okay guys, yeah, I'm finished for the day, clean up and everything. So what I did today basically was I rounded off all the edges. Sorry, let me get out of the, show you from this side.
So yeah, basically I got more or less the final shape that I want to go for on this side, and I smoothed everything out, as you can see, just so I didn't poke myself with fiberglass. But yeah, so just smooth everything out on the inside as well, as you can see over there. And